Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Seller Central. Make sure your selling account has MFA enabled and correct user permissions. Once signed in, use the top search bar to type Revenue Calculator for the fastest route. If search returns nothing, open the main menu and look under Tools or Pricing sections. Do this now so you don't waste time exploring unrelated menus. Having permissions prevents blocked pages and lets you use the calculator immediately. Once you open the calculator, select the version for your needs, General Revenue Calculator or the ASIN-specific FBA tool. Paste the ASIN or product title when prompted. The tool pulls current fees and referral rates for that product. Then select the marketplace and selling model, because FBA calculates fulfillment fees differently versus FBM. Enter your cost, shipping, and intended price so the calculator can project margin and net revenue accurately. After inputs, review the net revenue line, margin percentage, and the detailed fee breakdown so you understand where costs eat profit. Once done, tweak price, cost, or shipping fields to run scenario comparisons and find your target margin. If results seem wrong or fields blank, make sure your account permissions include reporting. Then refresh the page, sign out and back in, or open Seller Central in an incognito window to clear cached errors. That fixes
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.